Hey guys, we received this Tikure cereal ball set of four for test and try. So you can see these balls are 24 ounce ceramic balls and can be used for the kitchen, and it's a stoneware soup bowls for salad, ramen, snack, dessert, or any other gift set. So it comes in a nice box, so you can give it as a gift, and is a very nice clear. You can see so normal capacity is 24 ounce and maximum capacity is 26 ounce, and this is a very like a lightweight and sturdy feel of these bowls. So they are total in the 5.9 inch around in the total diameter, and the height is around 2.6 inches. So this is a nice bowl set for any purpose in your kitchen and home. And you can also see like the different things. So there are four, like set of four, and you can use it in a different way. Like you can use it for the soup or salad or any other thing that you want to give. You can also put in the ramen or any other stuff. So it's a very nice bowl set.